guys, I have a really cute unboxing to do today. I got a gift package from Joyhub. Look how adorable this is. And I haven't opened it yet. We're going to be opening it for the first time together. Joyhub, bring everyone joy and pleasure. So there's some little goodies in here and I cannot wait to show you guys, and I cannot wait to see for myself. I agreed to do a collab with Joyhub and I didn't know they were going to send me this whole cute gift box sort of thing, so I'm super excited. Let's get into it. Honestly, a brand having nice packaging makes such a difference. It makes it feel like such a almost luxurious experience. Oh my god. Starting out, a little thank you card. Let's see. They even wrote my name on it. This is beautiful. So it says, thank you, welcome to Joyhub. I'm also just going to point out purple is my favorite color, so I love this. So this is so exciting. This little card is just thanking me for joining their little creator community and partnering with them. So that is so sweet. And there's even this little note. Love and gratitude. I love that. It says, hi Claire, we're really happy to be working with you. It's always exciting to see how creators bring their own unique touch into a project, and we can't wait to see yours. Thanks for being part of the Joyhub community. With love, the Joyhub team. This is just too adorable. Like I said, I was expecting just like a typical package, and to do like a regular collab, I was not expecting a whole little goodie box, and oh my god, this is too sweet. There's even these silly little stickers. That's so cute. I love stickers, honestly. I don't know what I'll do with these, but I will find something to do with them. Too cute. Little narwhal. I wonder if it's because he's horny. And this is a phone holder. That's a little goofy. Here, I'll take it out of the plastic so you can see it better. So it's got like a little and you can like spin it around. That's kind of goofy. That's like a really big phone holder. Kind of funny, kind of cute. Oh my god, and I don't know if you guys could read what this says, but it has moan day, tongue day, wet day, thirst day, freak day, sex day, and suck day. And you kind of just spin your little thing around. That's so funny. But now let's get into the real goodies. So, you know, little freebies are all fun and everything, but I'm interested in these packages that I've received here. Look at them! Even that is so gorgeous! Oh, before I get into these, they even have little cute filler. It's pink. I love it. I shouldn't have just made a mess with it right there all over my bed, but it's so adorable. Once again, I just cannot get enough of this whole gorgeous packaging moment and the effort put into this. Okay, but now let's get into the real goodies. So just letting you guys know, I don't really know what they've sent me, but I will be posting photos on Twitter and on Fansly to show off these gorgeous pieces, because I know you guys want to see them, and I wouldn't dare to just keep them to myself. Oh my god, this is pretty sexy looking. I guess it's a little difficult to show off body stockings on here without trying them on, but that'll be a really cute, sexy, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely hard to see, but those are gonna look so good on me, all stretching and everything. And those colors, the shape of it, just beautiful. Next. Ooh, very sexy, red and black. Wow, that is gonna look so scandalous. It's like a little mini dress moment with that like stretchy mesh in the front, so you'll have a nice little peekaboo there. That is so sexy. I love that we've got like a little like almost like good girl moment, and then we've got a little bad girl moment. Let's see what's next. Ooh, pink and purple. Another sort of good girl moment, I suppose. So this one has like little spaghetti straps, and the netting on this one is in a cool funky little pattern all the way down. Almost like kind of 80s vibes, but in like a super sexy way. I cannot wait to try these on and show you guys. It's gonna look so good. And last but definitely not least, this one is a whole set here. So these were just like nice little body stocking moments. Have a really great collection of these now. I've honestly never really bought like body stocking, sexy sort of things like this. So this is a first for me, and I know you guys will love it. This is definitely more my speed. I love white lingerie. Look at that gorgeous, oh my god, the lace cups and the ribbon detail down there, the sheer, the little like florally sort of ruffle edges. Oh my god, that is just so angelic. And it even has garter straps for stockings, which they did send me. These are white fishnet stockings with a lace thigh top. I'll take them out and show you, of course. So it's a tight fishnet with a nice thick lace top to it. With this little sexy number, oh my god, plus a matching thong, because they had to send me the whole set. Oh my god, I am so excited about this right now. This is just so gorgeous, and oh my god, I've got no words apparently. This little white lingerie number is definitely gonna be one of my new favorites. I just love all kinds of white lingerie. I think it's so like innocent and angelic looking and just like sweet and like kind of bridal, but obviously not bridal. I just think it's like very pretty, so I always gravitate towards it. And then these body stockings are gonna blow your minds. I can already guarantee it. Thank you so much, Joyhub, for sending me these amazing pieces. I'm so thankful. This gift box was even more amazing than I could have expected, and I'm super happy to be part of this little Joyhub community now. So maybe there will be more collaborations to come. I don't know. We'll see. I'm so happy and so thankful. And thank you guys for watching. I really do hope that you go and check me out on X to see some photos wearing these cute little pieces. Or if you want even more, of course, joining me on Fansly is always a fantastic option. Thank you so much.